Welcome to this beautifully restored Lima home. This is more than a standard remodel. After a fire, the home was rebuilt from the inside out, using modern materials, professional craftsmanship, and current building standards. Nearly everything inside is brand new, creating the move-in ready experience today's buyers want. From the outside, you'll see a home that has been carefully restored and well-maintained. What buyers won't see at first glance is the amount of work completed behind the walls. Construction was completed with permits pulled, inspections completed through the City of Lima Building Department, and final approval granted with a certificate of occupancy. Stepping inside, we enter a bright, open living space featuring modern flooring and a beautiful staircase. The neutral color palette throughout the main floor creates a clean and versatile atmosphere. This entryway view showcases the unique glass block details surrounding the front door. The home features smart technology, including this modern thermostat, for your convenience. Moving through the house, you'll find plenty of natural light streaming through the windows. The kitchen has been updated with modern green custom cabinetry and high-quality fixtures. This view highlights the updated subway tile backsplash and the contemporary sink design. Here is a closer look at the ample counter space and the kitchen's bright, functional design. The kitchen also includes modern stainless steel appliances, ready for your culinary adventures. Both upper cabinets and base cabinets were installed in the kitchen, providing ample storage. This view showcases the kitchen's counter space, highlighting the wood finish and the green lower cabinet. Here is another angle of the kitchen cabinetry, emphasizing the clean lines and contemporary color palette. The back entrance provides easy access to the lower level or kitchen, making unloading trips to the store easy. This area features a dedicated shower space, clean brand new, and ready for use in the lower level. The bathroom also includes a well-placed toilet, maintaining the functional design of the home. The lower level family room provides a great space for family TV or movie with popcorn. The stairwell leading to the second floor has a custom handrail. Each space has been thoughtfully laid out and offers design features throughout the home. The bathroom includes a 3-piece washroom, new custom vanity with self-closing drawer, new faucet, new shower head. Bath fan is Bluetooth enabled with red, green, blue, and white light therapy. Master bed. Second bedroom. The third bedroom. The 2-car garage plus workshop offers 110-watt and 220-watt electric, is heated and can be cooled. The house fencing was replaced on the home for sale. For a private showing, please call us to arrange an appointment. We have worked with top-tier contractors to ensure that 534 Marion Avenue meets excellent standards.